Hi, this is part 22 of Zero tutorial. In this video, we are going to talk about how actions work in your flow. If you go to auth0 dashboard, you can see there are different flows in actions. The login flow is the replacement for rules, and the rest of it cover what we've done in hooks. So in this tutorial, we only demonstrate how the login flows work, and the rest of them leave you to explore. Similar to rules, we will show you some commonly used rules that we use in actions, including verify email rule, add extra claims into token, call external API, and add metadata. Now, let's go into the library. In the library, you can add some built-in actions. You can search whatever you want, or you can customize your own action. Let's remove all the old actions. And disable rules. So let's add a customized action. So we will do the same thing here. We will send reset password email to customer after login. So that's the code to call reset password email endpoint in auth0. This time we are using Axios to send HTTP requests. You can see the URL we are using here is the same with the one we're using in rules, as well as the client ID and connection. Now let's save it and deploy. And go to our flow. Let's add our customized flow. Drag and drop in the middle. Because our rule is already disabled, so you don't see any rules before the action. Let's apply it. Now let's try to log in again. We should be able to receive an email. Before we doing that, I want to add a console log. Now let's try to log in. See, the record is here. And now I should be able to receive the email. Now let's back to our actions. Now I want to add some information to my metadata. Now let's add some dummy metadata. I both set user metadata and the app metadata. Deploy it. Go to flows. And I want to add it after. Apply. I forgot to add console log again. Let's try to log in. Let's look at the log. We received these two records in order. And let's have a check the user's metadata. So you can see both metadata are added. Now let's try to add some customized info into the claims. Now let me add following codes to add custom claims into the token, which including both ID token and access token. Save it and deploy. Now let's try to log in again. Now you can see the custom claim is successfully added into the token. Now we have demonstrated all those actions which can replace rules. In the next video, we are going to talk about how to customize your UI. Thank you for watching.